Hey everyone, this is my 50-inch electric fireplace that we purchased here on Amazon, and we absolutely love this thing. It comes with a wireless remote. It was super easy to install. Me and my wife built this wall about a year ago, and we measured it so the fireplace can just fit in like a glove. And as you can see, we love it. We're thoroughly impressed by it, and it actually gives the living room a nice touch. What's cool about this fireplace is that the remote has all the features on it, so you don't have to keep getting up and pressing the touchscreen buttons over there, which that is pretty simple to use as well. The remote is pretty simple to use. Let me just change the color of the fireplace: green, blue. Right now I'm changing colors of the rocks. This does come with those clear rocks that you see in the picture. So you see these clear rocks. This does come with it, very simple to use. They come in a little baggie, and what you wanna do is this glass actually comes up, and then you just put the rocks, you just lay the rocks out, and then right now it's connected. It's connected to my stud. I have 2x4s behind it, so it is not going anywhere. But you can change the color of the rocks. You can also change the color of the flame: blue, orange, purple, yellow rocks, red. This also has a dimmer. You see it dimmed a little bit right there. The dimmer actually has a few settings. So as you press it, it gets brighter or it gets dimmer. You can also change the speed on the flames in the background. So let me just change the color of the flames so you see what I'm talking about. All right, so I'm gonna press the speed button on the flames. You see the flames slowed up a little bit. I'm gonna press it again. And I believe that's the fastest setting. So the flames are coming up pretty quickly. You can change the speed on that. You can have a timer on it. And this also, most importantly, has a heater to it. During a nice winter day, if it's cold outside, you can just turn the heater on. You hear it click. It's very quiet too, surprisingly. You can barely hear it. Let me just get up close to see if you guys can hear it a little bit. But the heat comes out of here. It warms up the room pretty quickly as well. I mean, I'm thoroughly impressed by this fireplace. We got the 50-inch just to match our wall. Our wall was kind of bigger than normal, so we just went ahead and got the bigger fireplace model, and I'm honestly happy that we did, because anything smaller just would have made the proportions look kind of uneven. But yeah, the heater's on right now. Let me just turn it off. All right, it's off, and it actually says off on the touchscreen. It's shut off. So like I said, we thoroughly enjoy this. The remote comes with literally everything you need. You can change the colors. You can turn it on and off from the remote, change the color of the flame, turn on the heat on and off from the remote. And this also comes with a physical power switch on top of here. So in case you want to turn it on and off, you can. Once again, the heat comes out of this vent. Heats up pretty quickly as well. Okay, so these buttons right here are touchscreen. So you can pretty much do exactly what I was doing on the remote from the fireplace. So timer, hold on, it went away. Timer, change the color of the rocks, change the color of the flames, change the speed. You can turn on the heat. All these buttons are touchscreen, and you can power it on and off from the fireplace as well. So this is how it looks on a custom built wall that, like I said, me and my wife built last year. Very durable, highly recommend it. And it just looks awesome. It gives a nice look to the living room. So, like I said, thoroughly enjoy the fireplace. Heats up the room fairly quickly. We enjoy it. Hope you guys enjoy it as well. And happy shopping, guys.